Home security is a top priority for homeowners in Rowlett, and one of the most important yet often overlooked features is the entry door. While alarm systems and cameras play a role, your front door is the first line of defense against unwanted entry. Upgrading to a high-quality entry door can significantly improve your home's security while also enhancing comfort and overall value. One of the main ways entry doors improve security is through stronger materials. Older doors, especially those made from thin wood or hollow cores, can be vulnerable to forced entry. Modern entry doors are typically constructed from durable materials such as steel or fiberglass. Steel doors offer exceptional strength and resistance to impact, making them difficult to break or force open. Fiberglass doors, while lighter, are also highly durable and resistant to cracking or splitting. For Rowlett homeowners, choosing a solid, well-built door is a critical step in improving home protection. Another key factor is the quality of the locking system. New entry doors often come equipped with advanced locking mechanisms that provide better security than older models. Multi-point locking systems, for example, secure the door at several points along the frame rather than just one. This makes it much harder for intruders to pry the door open. Reinforced deadbolts and secure strike plates further strengthen the door's ability to resist forced entry. The door frame itself also plays an important role in security. Even the strongest door can be compromised if the frame is weak or improperly installed. Modern entry door systems include reinforced frames that are designed to work together with the door and locking hardware. Professional installation ensures that the frame is securely anchored, eliminating gaps or weaknesses that could be exploited. Proper sealing is another benefit that contributes to both security and comfort. A well-fitted entry door closes tightly within the frame, leaving no room for forced entry tools to be inserted. At the same time, this tight seal helps prevent drafts, dust, and moisture from entering your home. In Rowlett, where weather conditions can vary, this added protection enhances both safety and energy efficiency. Visibility is another aspect of security that entry doors can improve. Many modern doors include options for reinforced glass inserts or sidelights. These features allow homeowners to see who is outside without opening the door. When combined with impact-resistant or laminated glass, they provide visibility without compromising security. This added awareness can help homeowners make safer decisions when answering the door. Durability over time is also essential for maintaining security. Entry doors are exposed to daily use and changing weather conditions, which can cause wear and tear. High-quality materials are designed to resist warping, cracking, and other forms of damage. This ensures that the door continues to function properly and maintain its protective qualities for years. Another advantage of upgrading your entry door is improved peace of mind. Knowing that your home is equipped with a strong, secure door allows you to feel more confident about your safety. This is especially important for families, as a secure entry point helps protect everyone inside. Entry doors also contribute to overall property value. Buyers often look for homes with updated security features, and a modern entry door can make a strong impression. In Rowlett's housing market, this upgrade can help your home stand out while also providing practical benefits for everyday living. Professional installation is crucial to maximizing all these security features. Even the best door will not perform effectively if it is not installed correctly. Experienced installers ensure that the door, frame, and hardware are aligned and secured properly, eliminating potential vulnerabilities. In addition to security, modern entry doors offer aesthetic benefits. With a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes available, homeowners can choose a design that complements their home while still prioritizing safety. This combination of style and protection makes entry doors a valuable upgrade. In the end, entry doors play a vital role in improving home security in Rowlett properties. From stronger materials and advanced locking systems to proper installation and long-term durability, they provide a reliable barrier against potential threats. By investing in a high-quality entry door, homeowners can enhance safety, comfort, and confidence in their living space every day.